Good morning all and welcome to the live room summary on the 14th of April. Trust everyone as well. Well, interesting. We've had a long Easter weekend and interesting to see how sterling has performed here. No trades sterling wise. Waiting for this euro to weaken. Some of the guys took euro yen and euro dollar short. I'm still being patient and just waiting for these. But cable at the moment, nothing really set up rightly this morning for any trade. We know where the major resistance level is at this 149.57 level. So I said if it gets up to about 35.40, we go short, stop loss the other side. It obviously didn't get up there. So nothing really to play off there, really. I am sort of thinking that there's going to be a potential double top scenario in cable on the longer term. So we're going to keep an eye on that. So that will be all on my sterling video in the FX Monkey School. Sterling yen, nothing really to shout home about really this morning. Could have potentially looked at a little 1-2-3 long and things like this. I'm glad we stayed out of it. Obviously then cable weakened off and sterling yen fell through. Now we're just boxed in between the hourly 20 and hourly 50. Nothing really there to get myself too excited about. I'm just going to be patient. If we break through this 4-hour 20 and we do a 1-2-3 south, then I will get excited. Likewise, if we do a big run up, big support off that hourly 20, then I'll look for a long play. But at the moment, not looking for any play in those until we see a good 1-2-3 in either direction. I think euro yen was the one which is Eric called this very well. I think I was just waiting for euro dollar really to show me the way. I'm a little bit lost with you. I think I've just speaking to a lot of guys about the euro. I can see the argument for why euro should hold up. I can see the why euro should weaken as well. But euro yen, this was a trade that the guys took. That little retracement back up through here in that box into the 4-hour 20. Obviously this time it did break through. Sometimes you just see it bounce off that, but this one obviously worked out quite well. So well done to those guys who took it. Great little trade. Stop loss the other side of that daily pivot. Well done to those guys. What I'm waiting for here is in euro dollar. I'll just bring up euro dollar here. We're sitting right around this weekly pivot in 4-hour 20. I just want to get that 15-minute trigger back up again, and for us to hold below that hourly 20, for us to then confirm that it's going to make a big lunge to break that 4-hour 20. So I just want to see a little pullback. I know a few guys went in just as I was leaving the live room up here for a quick 30-40 points. I think Eric did and a few others. So well done on that little retracement. But do remember that on 1-2-3s, sometimes you see you get 5-6 candles down like here. But like this one was just a one candle. But I don't worry, I'm not into this yet. I'm just going to wait and use the trigger on this and just wait for it to sit around the 4-hour 20, let it pull back. If it can stay underneath this hourly 20, then I will be looking for a short play. But that's all I'm going to be looking for realistically on this chart. I'm still short of euro sterling. That's the only trade I have on at open at the moment and have been for a few weeks. That's the only thing I really have. That's at 89.30 as we speak, targeting sort of the mid-80s in that. So, interesting. Yes, there's always movement in these markets, but you've got to be very comfortable and sure of direction. So, like sterling and euro, yes, we've seen some weakness in euro and sterling. Tough one to trade really today around these weekly pivots and things. So, I stayed out the market this morning. I feel rightly so. Euro yen was good. Euro dollar has obviously weakened off since then. But I'm just waiting for a significant pullback and then a test of that 4-hour 20 on the breakdown through there in euro dollar. Okay, so I'm just going to be patient and wait for that to happen. Okay, guys, I'll speak to you later on. Take care.